Fuji icon Wasiu Ayinde Marshal, popularly known as K1 the Ultimate, has exuded his love for the Celestial Church of Christ, admitting that he is a bona fide and proud member of the ministry. Ayinde, a Muslim, made this known during a pre-recorded interview with Agbaletu TV on Wednesday. CCC popularly called Cele a Pentecostal church in the Aladura movement, which was founded by Samuel Oshofa. Its members wear white one-piece garments during worship and must not wear their shoe while wearing the garment or while within the main church. According to him, in his quest to know God, he became a member of the church and he is proud to have joined. He relished that he explored both Islam and Christianity in the journey to know God and has never regretted his actions.
Attend us.
Of course, I attend Celestial Church. I'm a bona fide member of Celestial Church, a proud one. To call church, papa. I'm going to money. I'm West, I'm long gone. See on Keji.
This revelation is coming after the veteran musician had recently made a catchy phrase, which quickly evolved into a viral lingo that's widely used across social media, at parties, on the streets, and in casual conversations. Ayinde, while discussing with an unidentified man, had used the phrase Ganusi in reference to some Islamic clerics, Afars, in the build-up to his mother's burial. This led to an avalanche of criticisms from different Islamic clerics and other Nigerians who felt K1 denigrated the clerics with that statement. However, the singer doubled down on the remark and maintained he had done nothing wrong and did not see the need to apologize. While his new revelation has sparked criticisms online, we'll continue to supply you more trending news updates and exclusive videos. Keep watching NaijaNews TV.